Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your TV sound isn't working and how to fix it. Let's get started. When your TV sound is extremely low or muted, then you won't hear any sound. First and foremost, make sure your TV isn't on mute. Next, adjust the volume level by turning it up to see if you get any sound. If there still isn't any sound, confirm whether it's a problem with all the channels. Carry out a software update. Sometimes, the issue occurs from having outdated sound drives. To fix this, you'll need to update your TV software. Software updates can be done automatically via the internet or manually via a flash drive. Sometimes, the sound issue can be because the external sound devices are not well connected. If your TV connects to an external sound device, ensure you plug the cable connection into the correct ports. Also, from the TV sound settings, ensure you choose the correct external sound device. Reset your TV. If everything else fails, you can try to fix the issue by resetting the TV. Instructions on how to reset a TV vary depending on the manufacturer. Therefore, we recommend you read how to do this from your user manual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.